Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the color of the page on the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now select the document that you would like to select the color of. Now you should click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on Page Setup in the middle of the screen and click on the last option, Page Color. Here you are ready to choose from a vast variety of colors using this scale. And then if you have found the color of your preferences, as you can see, you can even select from 8 different shades of that particular color. So if you have chosen the right color, if you go back by the help of this arrow icon in the left side corner of the screen at the top, then you will see that the color has been changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.